Today we're replacing the back glass of iPhone 16 Pro Max. As you can see, the back glass is badly shattered. First, power the phone off. Back glass replacement isn't difficult, but it is a bit tedious. Patience is very important. Let's check the tools we'll need. This is a new back glass. It does not include wireless charging. For better sealing, use waterproof back glass adhesive. Here's our toolkit. We're using the PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad. Place it directly on the phone. Heat it for about 10 minutes. Alright, time's up. The kit includes a suction cup, blades, alcohol, plastic picks. We'll use the blade to create a small gap. Add a few drops of alcohol. Once the gap is large enough, insert the plastic card. Slide around the edges. Cut through the adhesive. If it gets tight, add more alcohol. Then keep going. The bottom is heavily damaged. We'll need more force here. That side is now open. Let's remove the screws. Use a Y000 tri-point screwdriver. There are 7 screws in total. First, disconnect the battery BTB. Next, disconnect the wireless charging BTB. Now the back glass can be removed. Set it aside. Clean the broken glass from the frame. At the bottom, there are 2 screws. They should be removed earlier. Use a P2 pentalobe screwdriver. Remove all remaining adhesive. This helps the new back glass fit better. Let's compare the two back glasses. Some parts need to be transferred. This module includes the flash, the microphone, and wireless charging. Removing it can be tricky. If it tears, that's okay. We'll secure it later. Be careful with the wireless charging coil. Don't rush this step. Alright, it's finally removed. Now install it on the new back glass. Remove all protective films. Place the module into position. We'll secure it with adhesive. Remove the camera dust film. Now apply the back glass adhesive. This improves sealing. Take your time here. Reconnect the flex cable. Reconnect the battery BTB. Make sure everything clicks into place. Reinstall the screws. Now press the back glass down. Apply even pressure around the edges. Reinstall the bottom screws. The phone looks brand new again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.